As we journey through life, we often hear whispers about the inevitable changes that come with aging. But what if I told you that some of these assumptions are simply not true? What if the narrative we've been fed about declining strength and vitality in our later years is just a story waiting to be rewritten? What's something people don't know about aging? It's a question that deserves a thoughtful pause, a moment of reflection on the possibilities that lie ahead. We've been conditioned to believe that aging equals weakness, that our bodies are destined to deteriorate, and that our physical capabilities will inevitably diminish. But I'm here to challenge that notion, to offer a different perspective, and to empower you with the knowledge and tools to defy those limiting beliefs. Aging is not a passive process. It's an active journey, and you have the power to shape your own experience. It's about embracing the wisdom and experience that come with age while actively working to maintain your strength, vitality, and independence. So let's delve into the realm of possibilities and uncover the secrets to staying strong, active, and vibrant as we age. Let's challenge the status quo and redefine what it means to grow older. Let's embark on this journey together, armed with knowledge, determination, and an unwavering belief in our ability to thrive. It doesn't have to mean weak legs. The common misconception that aging inevitably leads to weakened legs is simply not true. While it's true that muscle mass and strength can decline with age if left unaddressed, this decline is not an unavoidable consequence of growing older. In fact, with the right approach, you can maintain and even improve your leg strength well into your golden years. Your legs are the foundation of your mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. They enable you to walk, climb stairs, maintain balance, and engage in countless activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Weak legs can lead to a cascade of problems, including decreased mobility, increased risk of falls, reduced independence, and a diminished sense of well-being. But the good news is that you have the power to prevent and reverse this decline. By incorporating targeted exercises and lifestyle changes into your routine, you can strengthen your legs, improve your balance, and maintain your independence for years to come. It's about taking proactive steps to protect and nurture your leg strength, ensuring that you can continue to enjoy an active and fulfilling life. So, let's dispel the myth of inevitable leg weakness and embrace the reality that you can stay strong and mobile as you age. Let's focus on building and maintaining your leg strength, empowering you to live life to the fullest on your own terms. Here's how you can stay strong at home. In the comfort of your own home, you have the power to transform your leg strength and reclaim your vitality. You don't need expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment to achieve remarkable results. With a few simple exercises and a commitment to consistency, you can build stronger legs, improve your balance, and enhance your overall well-being. The beauty of home-based exercises is that they can be easily tailored to your individual needs and abilities. You can start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get stronger. You can also modify exercises to accommodate any physical limitations or health conditions you may have. The key is to find exercises that you enjoy and that you can comfortably perform on a regular basis. Consistency is paramount when it comes to building and maintaining leg strength. Aim for at least 10-15 minutes of leg strengthening exercises several times a week. You can break up your workouts into shorter sessions if that's more convenient for you. Remember, even a little bit of exercise is better than none. So, let's explore some simple yet effective exercises that you can do at home to strengthen your legs and improve your overall fitness. Let's unlock the potential of your own body and discover the joy of moving with strength and confidence. Just a few minutes a day. You might be surprised to learn that you don't need to spend hours in the gym to achieve significant improvements in your leg strength. In fact, just a few minutes of targeted exercise each day can make a world of difference. The key is consistency and focusing on exercises that effectively target the muscles in your legs. Think of it as investing in your future health and well-being. By dedicating just a small amount of time each day to strengthening your legs, you're setting yourself up for a more active, independent, and fulfilling life. It's about making a conscious choice to prioritize your physical health and reap the rewards for years to come. Even on busy days, you can squeeze in a quick 5-10-minute workout. Every little bit counts, and over time, those small efforts will accumulate into significant gains in strength and mobility. So don't let the misconception that you need to spend hours exercising deter you from taking action. Embrace the power of short, focused workouts and discover the remarkable benefits they can bring to your leg strength and overall well-being. of this easy exercise can help restore your leg strength. These simple yet effective exercises are designed to target the major muscle groups in your legs, helping you regain strength, improve balance, and enhance your overall mobility. They are easy to learn, require no special equipment, and can be modified to suit your individual fitness level. The beauty of these exercises lies in their accessibility and adaptability. You can perform them in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and without the need for any specialized training. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or new to exercise, you can benefit from incorporating these movements into your daily routine. As you perform these exercises, focus on maintaining proper form and engaging the correct muscles. This will ensure that you're getting the most out of each movement and minimizing the risk of injury. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to perform these exercises several times a week, gradually increasing the number of repetitions and sets as you get stronger. With dedication and perseverance, you'll be amazed at the progress you can make in restoring your leg strength and reclaiming your vitality. No fancy equipment. You don't need a state-of-the-art gym or expensive equipment to achieve remarkable results in your leg strength. In fact, some of the most effective exercises can be performed using just your own body weight and a few common household items. Forget the treadmills, weight machines, and complicated contraptions. The key to building stronger legs lies in understanding the principles of exercise and applying them consistently. You can use your own body weight as resistance, challenging your muscles and stimulating growth. You can also incorporate everyday objects like chairs, stairs, and even cans of soup to add variety and intensity to your workouts. The beauty of this approach is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or access to specialized equipment. It's about empowering you to take control of your fitness and achieve your goals without relying on external resources. So let's ditch the notion that you need fancy equipment to get in shape and embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of bodyweight exercises and readily available household items. Let's unlock the potential of your own body and discover the joy of moving with strength and confidence, right in the comfort of your own home. Just you, all you need is yourself, your determination, and a willingness to invest in your health and well-being. You are the most important piece of equipment in this equation. Your body is capable of amazing things, and with the right approach, you can unlock its full potential. Believe in yourself, trust in your ability to adapt and grow, and commit to taking consistent action towards your goals. It's about recognizing that you are in control of your own health journey and that you have the power to make positive changes in your life. Don't underestimate the power of your own mind and body. With the right mindset and a commitment to consistency, you can achieve remarkable results in your leg strength and overall fitness. So embrace your inner strength, believe in your ability to succeed, and embark on this journey with confidence and determination. Your chair. A simple chair can be an invaluable tool in your leg strengthening journey. It can provide support, stability, and assistance as you perform various exercises. Use it for balance during standing exercises, as a prop for seated exercises, or as a support for modified versions of more challenging movements. The chair can be your trusted companion, helping you to safely and effectively build strength in your legs. Choose a sturdy chair that is the right height for you. It should allow you to sit with your feet flat on the floor and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure the chair is stable and won't tip over easily. As you progress in your strength, you can gradually reduce your reliance on the chair, challenging your balance and stability even further. But in the beginning, don't hesitate to use it as much as you need to feel safe and supported. The chair is there to help you, not to hinder you. So embrace its support and use it to your advantage as you embark on your leg strengthening journey. And a little motivation. A little motivation can go a long way in helping you achieve your leg strengthening goals. Find what inspires you, whether it's the desire to stay active and independent, the joy of moving with ease, or the satisfaction of seeing progress in your strength and mobility. Tap into that inner drive and use it to fuel your workouts. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Reward yourself for sticking to your exercise routine and for making progress towards your goals. Find a workout buddy or join a support group to stay motivated and accountable. Sharing your journey with others can provide encouragement, inspiration, and a sense of community. Remember, motivation is not a constant state. It ebbs and flows, and there will be days when you feel less motivated than others. On those days, be kind to yourself, but don't give up. Remind yourself of your goals, focus on the positive benefits of exercise, and just get started. Once you start moving, you'll often find that your motivation returns. So, cultivate a little motivation, surround yourself with support, and celebrate your progress along the way. With a positive attitude and a commitment to consistency, you can achieve remarkable results in your leg strength and overall well-being.